Welcome to Listen to People. Are you worried about your financial future? Do you dream of retiring comfortably and enjoying life on your own terms? In this video, we'll share a comprehensive guide to retirement planning, covering everything from setting goals to creating a sustainable income stream. Retirement planning starts with setting clear goals. Consider the following. What age do you want to retire? What lifestyle do you want in retirement? What expenses do you expect to have? How much income will you need to support your lifestyle? An example, I'm 30 years old and want to retire at 60. How much should I save each month? Let's assume you need $1 million for retirement. With 30 years to save, you'd need to save around $800 to $1,000 per month, assuming a 7% annual return. Next, assess your current financial situation. Calculate your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Determine your savings rate and increase it if possible. And problem is, I have high interest debt and struggling to save. What should I prioritize? Answer is, pay off high interest debt first. Then focus on saving. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options. And understanding retirement accounts. Learn about different retirement accounts, 401k, 403b, and other employer-sponsored plans, traditional and Roth IRAs, contribution limits, withdrawal rules, and tax implications. Problem is, should I contribute to traditional or Roth IRA? Answer is, consider your tax bracket and goals. Traditional IRAs offer tax deductions, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free growth and withdrawals. And create in a retirement plan. Develop a personalized retirement plan. Determine your retirement saving goals. Calculate how much you need to save each month. Consider factors like inflation, market volatility, and longevity risk. Problem is, how do I account for inflation in my retirement plan? Answer is, use historical inflation rates around 3 to 4% to estimate future expenses. Consider investing in assets that historically perform well during inflationary periods. Investing wisely is crucial for retirement planning. Understand different asset classes, stock, bonds, real estate. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Problem is, I'm risk averse and want to invest conservatively. Is that good strategy for retirement? While conservatism is understandable, investing too conservatively may not keep pace with inflation or meet retirement goals. Consider a balanced portfolio with some growth-oriented investments. Create a sustainable income stream in retirement. Understand the 4% rules and other withdrawal strategies. Consider annuities, dividend pay in stocks, and other income-generating investments. Problem is, how do I ensure my retirement saving lasts? The answer is, consider a sustainable withdrawal rate. Diversify your income sources and prioritize flexibility in your retirement plan. Retirement planning requires discipline, patience, and persistence. By following these steps and addressing common challenges, you can secure a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more financial planning tips.